Hi everyone, my name is Debo Makhere, a student from Central University of Technology, and I'm doing electrical engineering. Today I'm going to demonstrate and share with you my project. The name of the project is a smart greenhouse system. The main reason for this project is to improve the greenhouse system logic. This project or this system is a technical approach in which farmers in a rural area will be benefited by automatic monitoring and controlling the environment of the greenhouse. It replaces the direct supervision of women. In this project, different sensors has been reviewed and developed to overcome the limitation of the present monitoring system. Now I will be showing you the sensors that I have used in this project that are connected on Arduino board. Firstly, I will start with a temperature sensor. With regard temperature, it is an essential environmental factor that is strongly related to the growth of plants. As a result, this sensor will control and monitor the temperature of the greenhouse environment and keep down the temperature in order to help in keeping the plants to grow in the right temperature for good harvest. I'm moving to the second sensor, which is moisture sensor. The moisture sensor probes will be inserted into the dry soil of the greenhouse with the planted crops. If the soil is almost dry, this immediately will set the water pump on and start watering plants by means of sprinkler. I use a blue LED to show how the sprinkler will work. I'm moving to the third sensor of my project, which is the sensor that we use to monitor and control and manage the water level and water management. The water level indicator may be defined as a sensor which can get the information of any water reservoir. Water level sensor is quite useful to reduce a water wastage from any reservoir or system that you are using. Now I'll show you how we are going to connect our data from our sensors to the cloud or ThinkSpeak. We are going to use ESP here. We are going to send our data to the ESP. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how the operation works. Here we have a touch sensor to increase the security in our system or greenhouse system. We use a touch sensor to open the gate. The gate will open and closes with time. Now we are going to check the water level in our system. Our LCD display shows us now the water level is full. We are going to use our water level sensor to demonstrate how this water level works with our system and how it will trigger our pumps and sprinklers. When we move this up a little bit, it will show us that the water level is empty inside our reservoir, our stored tank. When the water is empty, our pump will start to pump the water into the another tank. But when the water is full, we don't need to pump any water. Now we are putting it back inside the water to see how it will work. Now our LCD's display shows us that the water is full. Our pump is now off. We're no longer pumping the water. We move to the moisture sensor now. Now, because our soil is dry, our sprinklers are on. It shows that we are watering our system. But when the soil gets wet or get moist, our sprinklers will switch off. When the soil is wet, our sprinklers is now off. It shows that we are no longer watering the system. But I'm going to show you when again the soil gets dry, our sprinklers will get on. Our sprinklers going on. It shows us that we are now watering our system. Now I'm going to show you how we regulate our temperature inside our greenhouse. If the temperature gets about the set value, the relay will trigger and turns our fan on to regulate the temperature. As we are waiting to get our temperature, when the temperature is above the set value, the relay is triggered. Our fan is now rotating to regulate the temperature within our system. We will wait until the temperature gets low so that when the temperature is low, the fan will switch off. As we waited to see when the temperature gets low so that our fan turns off and our relays will switch off. Now the temperature is below the set value of the greenhouse. Our fan is now off to show that the temperature within the greenhouse is controlled and monitored. All the data is sent to the ThinkSpeak. Here it shows the readings of the temperature when it increases and decreases, the water level, the touch sensor also when it is high and low. Thank you for watching.